So welcome back guys, my name is kelvinaadonyies and we are here to discuss about something and an error that most of you have been getting, and at the moment we do not know how to solve it. First of all, if this is your first time watching this video or coming to this channel, please, you are very much welcome. Make sure that you subscribe, you like the video so that it can get to as many people as possible, because many people are facing this problem. If you have any question, make sure that on the comment section ask any question and I will be delighted to answer you to my very best. So welcome. So most of us guys are getting this error that the requested URL was rejected. And why is this so? So I want to go back to the details that I felt. I have filled the details, and as you can see, all the other details have remained. The details that I felt have remained, but we are missing one thing. Which is this one thing? The photo. So we submitted, we got the error. When we went back, the photo was missing. So what is the issue? What is the issue? That is what most of you want to know, and that is what we are here to tackle. But before that guys, let us go to the DV instruction on the digital image requirement or on the photos. Let's get to see an example of the photos. Now, if you go to the size and the position, the image should be 2 by 2, 51 by 51 millimeter. Have a white background and your head should be centered. Yeah, the image or the photo should be in JPEG file format, 600 by 600 pixel, and this guys is very key, and 54 kilobyte. So if you're trying to send your photo or your form, to submit your form, and it's still being rejected, or you're getting the URL error, if you're getting that and when you go back you cannot see the photo, that means if you compress that photo to less than 240 kilobytes in, but not below the 54 kilobytes in size, yeah? So 54 kilobytes is the minimum requirement. So make sure that you do not go, when you're compressing that photo, you do not go below the 54 kilobyte size. I hope I'm clear on that guys. Don't go below 54 kilobytes when you are compressing your photo. And something else I should mention guys is, do not interfere with the other dimensions. Remember that it should be, the picture or the photo should be square. That means 2 by 2 or 51 by 51 millimeter. I hope we are clear on that. Why am I saying this? Let us go to the image, the digital image requirement. Yeah, so we have just seen that the image should not be below 54 kilobytes. Well, that is as per the requirement, right? When you come here, they are giving you other instruction here. And remember guys that the image should be in JPEG format, and the image should be less than or equal to 240 kilobytes. So 240 kilobytes is the maximum file size that your photo should be. And if you're still being rejected, please make sure you go and compress your image, because that is where most of us guys are getting it wrong. That is where most of us guys are getting it wrong. Again guys, if you have any question, on the comment section below, make sure you ask me, and share this video, because there are so many people who are going through the same problem. Remember guys, the DV lottery is still ongoing. And it started on 5th October and it will end on the 8th of November. So there is no need to be afraid, but make sure that you get these things correctly. I also got these errors and I almost gave up, right? So we went back, we have filled our details, and we are still getting that error. So guys, let me just show you something. The image that I just uploaded there before I got an error, it was 116 kilobytes and it is below 240 kilobytes, the maximum requirement. So what is the problem, guys? How do we fix this problem? How do we fix this error that we are getting? Guys, I'm going to show you that on our part 2. So guys, make sure that you watch our part 2, because that is where I will be showing you how to compress your image and then submit, so that you will not get this error. This error, guys, this error. So let us go back and choose. So if I go back and then I choose that photo, and I've shown you guys that is 116 kilobytes, which is below, I will still get the same error. So this is the problem that we'll be tackling in our part 2. So guys, make sure that you watch our part 2. So you can see that the requested URL was rejected. Please consult with your administrator and they give you the support ID. So that is what we are going to be tackling on our second part.